Hey everybody, so I got a quick demonstration video and in-use video of the Milwaukee Hatchet, so please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Hey everybody, how's it going? Alright, so here's the Milwaukee Hatchet right here. I already used it. I did cut up some of this wood from the gate rebuild, the old wood. I took it off and I just threw it over here. And my wife said that she didn't have any use for it, she couldn't think of anything to use it for. The wood does burn extremely slow. I did cut some up here, but you can see the saw's pretty dirty. There's still oil in it, and I recommend that you do prime it. Like the orange tag says, you put oil in it, you turn it on for several minutes or a minute or so, and just have a blue shop towel or a white paper towel with you, and wait for it to start spraying on the paper towel. I'm gonna grab a couple pieces of wood and we're just gonna cut a couple as a demonstration. It does get kind of heavy. That's something I have noticed. It does get pretty heavy. It does have good chip evacuation. That is something I like. See if I can get you guys a little closer. I'm just throwing it in the fire pit that's falling apart right here. Yeah, tilt it down a little bit. There. Get you guys a closer view. Figured it would be a quick demonstration because I don't know when I'm going to be cutting and trimming those stumps over there, but it does have really nice chip evacuation. I did end up spilling the oil, even with a funnel. All in all, it works pretty well. I do have a 3 amp hour on it, is what I have on it. Haven't had any major issues with it. It's also throwing it all over the chair, but you can see it does have really nice chip evacuation. All in all, it's a very decent little saw. And these are basically like 1x4s. They're just the old wood slots that were on the gate before I redid the gate. The bucking spikes work pretty well. Here's the last board. The oiler works very well on this saw. And this board actually still has a sticker on it, so it's probably the exact similar wood that I bought to do the gate recently. But I'm gonna clean the saw up and put it back in the cabinet for storage, or the closet, my tool closet for storage. I just figured I'd show you guys a quick demonstration of it. Since I stated I was gonna show a demonstration, give my opinions. I do like it. It's a nice saw. It definitely does well on chips. Get this pile right here. Some of this is what I had already burned, but the chips are very nice. Works very well, especially on that. It doesn't have any bogged down issues. If you use it for appropriate things, you know, even 2x4s, I think it'll work perfectly fine. I don't think you'll have any issues with it. Your small trees. You know what? Bring the camera over here. Hey, Zorro. So, these are those old trees that I was talking about. Let me lift the camera up, and I'll just cut a little bit off of this tree right here. Just another demonstration. Works very well. That cut through that like butter, no issues. The chips are very nice. It's got spider webs and all over these little trees, but just a couple cuts to show you guys. There's one there. There's one here. I don't remember exactly what they were. The leaves are like that. Used to be like really green. They used to be as tall as the brick right here. We used to have a basketball court out here. I always hit them with the basketball. They never grew. They always stayed green. Even though this one was missing half of its leaves and everything because I always hit it with the basketball when it hit the hoop. But pine tree is growing. But just a quick demonstration. You know, everything over here, I cleaned it up, made it look a lot cleaner other than what's on top of the compressor cart. But my thoughts is I like it. I like it. It works very well. The chips are nice, clean chips. I will take the chain off and I will clean everything, get the oil off of it for next time. I don't want to put the saber back on it until it's clean, because I like cleaning my tools after I'm done using them. I don't like leaving them dirty. A lot of people give me flack for that. Well, your tools have never been used. Well, they get used on a daily basis. I just clean them and I take care of them. You know, if you take care of your tools, they'll take care of you. You know, don't be that dude screaming at other people, your tools are too clean to have ever been used. Yeah, they can be used and be clean. It's called cleaning them afterwards. I don't leave brake clean and oils on my wrenches like that. I wipe them clean and then I re-oil them with clean oil, not dirty oil that came out of a vehicle. But my thoughts and opinions on the little Hatchet is it actually works very well. I have the Milwaukee pole saw, the quick lock pole saw, so I'm actually thinking maybe to put the pole saw 10-inch blade and bar, or chain and bar, on this guy, see how it works. If you guys want to see me take the Milwaukee 10-inch bar and chain off the pole saw and put it on the Hatchet and see what it will do, let me know. I'm not sure if it will have enough power, but you know, it's worth a try. It's a completely similar setup. But all in all, from what I've cut, including that, you know, a couple pieces off that old tree over there, it cuts very well. That tree was probably, I don't know, 4.5-inch round maybe. It was probably a lot smaller than that. It was probably about 2.5, 3 inch, at 3-inch max. I do like that they put the tool on the tool. I do like the way the bar and everything's set up. The one thing I don't like, and I'll put the camera here so I'll show you guys. One thing that absolutely bothers the crap out of me is Milwaukee makes 99% of their tools right-handed. You know, this can be used as left-handed or right-handed, it doesn't matter, but my problem is I kind of wish the bar was on this side. I wish that I could just hold it like this, pull the tool off, and loosen the chain or tighten the chain. That's just a pet peeve that I don't like. There should be no reason why this is set up like this on this side. I wish it was on the opposite side, but it works. It works very well, the way it's set up. I just kind of wish that I can lay the tool more comfortably down like this, have access to the tool right here, and then just take the cover off and everything on this side. But, you know, it is what it is. It's the only pet peeve that I found. And it's just because I kind of wish it was on the other side. But the tool works very well. It is very heavy, especially if you're doing this a lot. In this spot, it is quite heavy. That is a downside to me. Milwaukee could have made the handle, I think, a little thinner. Made it a little more comfortable so it wasn't so heavy. But, you know, you could use your index finger, push the button down. Use your thumb for the safety lock, push the button down. Has a very nice variable speed trigger that does stop at the end of the trigger movement. So the top speed is at the very end of the trigger. All in all, it's a great saw. I do like the wide open chip evacuation area, works very well. But just wanted to give you guys a quick demonstration and update. You know, this has been a 16-minute video. I do appreciate you guys hanging out with me today, checking out the video. Please like, comment, subscribe. Hit the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. And the next live stream I'm going to be doing will be in November for episode 4 of Pipeline. And the very top of the description below, I have a Olsa Tools link with my initials on it. If you click on that link, it will give you guys 10% off of your order at Acme, or not Acme, but olsatools.com. I apologize. Olsa Tools. They make amazing organizational stuff for your toolbox. They do make quite a bit of hand tools. There'll be a torque wrench, a beam style torque wrench coming to the channel that they were nice enough to send me for me checking it out, using it, giving my thoughts. It was sent to me for free. So look forward to some more Olsa tool videos as well. And the other great thing about that Olsa Tools link is that if you guys click on it, it helps me out as well. It does give me availability of 10% off my next order on Olsa Tools. So, you know, it helps me bring stuff to the channel. If you guys want to get something from Olsa Tools and they have something you need, you know, click on the link. It's, you know, 10% off. Saves you a little money. Helps me out a little bit, helps me save a little money to bring more tools to the channel. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this information was a little helpful, or at least helpful in some sense. Yeah, I know it wasn't like a bunch of trees or, you know, some like other channels, but, you know, I had this because it was scrap. I fixed the gate, made the gate look all nice again with new wood. Figured, you know what better way to test it than to cut the wood up to burn it. I'm going to take all this wood out and I'm going to stack it in these chairs right here. When I'm ready to burn it, I'm not going to leave it all in here. But I do appreciate you guys hanging out with me today and watching. Hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace!